Hello everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hyram. Today I am joined by two special guests. Mia and Jazz. Thank you for being here. Now get out. I'm so stoked for this video because I recently did a smash or pass video of the most popular TikTok skincare products and y'all fucking loved it. I was genuinely shocked to see how much you guys enjoyed that video, and the main comment that I saw from you guys was requesting me to do a Korean skincare version of the smash or pass game. So I figured we'd go for a round 2 exclusively featuring Korean skincare products and if I would actually smash them or pass them. So I have Mia and Jazz behind the camera. They're going to be each shouting out a different product. They prepared an entire list of products. I have no idea which ones they're going to feature, but I want to see how many of them I actually pass because y'all know I love Korean skincare so much. So this is going to be brutal. It's going to be difficult, but let's just jump into it. As usual, all the products I'm going to be talking about in today's video will be listed in the description box below. If you guys do want to do some shopping and check them out and support the channel, I would really appreciate it. But let's start. Smash or pass.
All right, first product is Some by Me 30 Days Miracle Toner.
You know what? That's one of those toners that I actually do really like. Me, when it comes to toners, I'm kind of like, if it's just for like hydration or things that you can get in other products, not really. But that toner has exfoliating ingredients and is great for like oily skin, and I've personally used it a lot, so smash.
CosRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence.
I would smash that product. I definitely like it. I don't use it super often because my skin is oily and that shit is very thick, but I would definitely smash it.
Okay, another CosRX product, the Master Pimple Patch Intensive.
Yeah, smash. Great product, simple pimple patches. Definitely smash.
Laneige Sleep Mask.
Like the blue one? No. Pass. I don't like that product. I don't understand why it has such a cult following, because if you're going to make a sleeping mask, you want it to be like super rich and moisturizing so that you can wake up with glowy skin. But every time I've used that product, my skin is so dehydrated and dry in the morning, which is an impressive feat considering that normally my skin is super oily and I'm going to wake up with skin grease anyway. So the fact that it can dry out my skin overnight is impressive in a bad way.
Next is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum.
Smash. I love that product so much. That's one of those products with kind of an absurdist name. Absurdist? That's the word, right?
I've never heard that word.
Oh, yes. Really? Absurd name, you know, like you're like glass skin, really? But whenever I've used that serum, I'm like, oh my God, this actually does do such a good job of like smoothing over the skin, but also has an incredible ingredient list. So definite smash.
Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask.
Oh, damn. I forgot about that product. I think I used that at one point. I am not the biggest fan of Innisfree products. I want to enjoy them, but they typically load up their products with fragrance. And also, I'm not a big clay mask person, and I believe I've used that one before and didn't like it, so pass. Wow. I'm surprised at how many products I'm passing.
Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask.
I believe this formula has a bunch of essential oils because I've been interested in using this in the past. I'm looking at the ingredient list now. It has so many good ingredients like peptides and retinol, but it also has a few essential oils as well. I don't know if I'd smash it, but I'd be down to test it out and see what the experience is and how strong the fragrance is. What would be a good in-between smash or pass? Tap. Yeah, I tap it. Oh, that sounds gross. Just a little tap, a 5-minute sesh. Ooh, we'll do quickie. Yeah, I'd do a quickie. Yeah.
I'm from Mugwort Cream.
Oh, yes. Smash. They have such high quality formulas with really good ingredients, and mugwort is amazing for like reducing sensitivity and irritation and boosting the moisture barrier health.
Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm.
Nope. Well, I can look at the ingredients again. Last I checked, I have not been able to find a Belief product that doesn't have fragrance. And their eye cream, which I think is the same one as the eye balm, has fragrance in it, which whenever I see companies do that, I'm like, why? Why in an eye cream? Like, you're not going to be smelling your under eye area. Why do you need to add it? Yeah, pass. I know. I've wanted to try that product before. Plus, it's expensive. Belief is like not a cheap brand, at least here in the US.
Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum.
Glow serum. Oh, wait. Yes. Oh my gosh. Absolutely. Yes. I love all the Beauty of Joseon serums. They're all great. I've tried that one too. Y'all have seen the popularity of the Beauty of Joseon sunscreens, but I was actually using the serums way back in the day, like back in 2020, 2019. They're awesome. Definitely smash.
Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops.
Absolutely not. Hell no. I, think the concept is creative, but when I used it on my skin, I was like, oh my God, like it looks like I dripped gasoline on my face. It's just shiny and reflective, and
I love that.
I know it has such a cult following, and I find the concept really interesting because I think it's a cool formula. But between the experience and the fragrance in it, I'm not a huge fan of that, which is a shame because I love Glow Recipe. They have some really good formulas, but that is my least favorite formula from their line for sure.
So pass.
Oh, pass, yeah.
Thank you, Farmer Sun Project Light Sun Essence.
Oh, okay. So for the Thank You Farmer products, I really want to love them, but a lot of their products do have fragrance, if I remember correctly. I don't believe I've tried this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, a few reasons. First, it has homosalate, which is USA chemical sunscreen, which I don't use. Plus, it has fragrance as well. And it also has octocrylene, another USA chemical sunscreen. So I don't know. I really like the concept of the brand and like the types of ingredients that they include in their formulas. But if they just came out with fragrance-free formulas, I feel like I would definitely love their products a lot more, but pass.
Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30.
Yes. Okay. So for this one, I have such mixed feelings. It does have ingredients that I don't love, like essential oils, but does it work? Yes, it works super well if you have really red, irritated, sensitive skin. I love seeing the transformations of people on TikTok showing like the extreme redness in their face and how this can correct it so well. And I love that it's a sunscreen too. Oh God. It hurts to say pass, but I would have to say pass for two reasons. First, the essential oils. Second, it's not cheap. I think that product is what, like $50?
Yeah, $52.
52? Ooh, that's expensive. And especially considering it's a sunscreen and how much sunscreen you need to apply on your face to get proper protection, you're going to run through that shit so fast. So yeah, I'm going to say pass.
Next is the Goodall Green Tangerine Vita C Dark Spot Serum.
Yes. Okay, so I really want to love that product, and I actually picked it up. Well, I was going to pick it up in Olive Young in Korea, which is basically like Ulta on crack in Korea. Like there's just so many cheap Korean skincare products everywhere, and Leah Yu has recommended that to me multiple times, and she loves the formula. But when I look through the ingredients, I just don't love the inclusion of the citrus extracts and essential oils. I want to love it, and she swears by it, and maybe someday I will try it out. So I don't know, I guess a quickie for that one. Yeah, I'd try it once, see how it works.
Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Original Cleansing Balm.
Yeah, I'd say smash for that one. Is it my favorite cleansing balm? No, I think that it still makes your skin have a little bit of that film left over. So it's not the best out there, but it's definitely a solid formula. Smash.
Neogen Dermology Real Firmit Micro Essence.
I haven't used it in a while, but that's a really great essence, especially if you're wanting to, focus on like prebiotic care for your skin, help strengthen the moisture barrier, get some hydration in. I am not a regular essence user, but that's definitely an essence that I would use. So yeah, smash.
Sulwhasoo Gentle Cleansing Oil Makeup Remover.
Should I look up the ingredients? I guess I'll look up the ingredients. Sulwhasoo is so expensive, at least here in the US. Oh, okay. This isn't like a crazy price point. It's $40. They definitely have a lot more expensive products than that. The ingredients aren't bad, but I don't think it justifies the $40 price point. Like that's definitely expensive for a product that you're inevitably going to be washing off your face. Is it terrible? No. I guess quickie. Like I'd be down to try it out and see.
Medicube Red Acne Body Wash.
Ooh, I do like Medicube. Ooh, and I love the concept of like a body wash specifically for acne. This is a pretty good ingredient list. Yeah, I'd say smash. I'd definitely be down to try out this product. I mean, I'm always on the look for any type of wash that can help with body acne, so smash.
iUnique Calendula Complete Deep Cleansing Oil.
Smash. I love that product. It's such a good cleansing oil. I believe the primary ingredient in that one is sunflower seed oil, which is such a high quality ingredient. It does a great job of removing sunscreen and makeup. Like definite smash.
Benton Snail Bee High Content Essence.
God, you guys did a really good job. I have not used these products in so long. It's like old vintage popular ones. Yes, I didn't necessarily notice amazing results within my own skin, but Benton has some stellar products and it still has like good ingredients that can help to like deeply moisturize the skin, you know, similar to like a snail mucin essence, but really boosted. So smash.
Next is the Etude Soon Jung 2x Barrier Intensive Cream.
I have used that product before. It's definitely very rich, very thick. If you have oily skin, probably not the vibe for daytime, but for nighttime, good solid moisturizing cream. Smash.
Laneige Creamed Skin Toner and Moisturizer.
Oh, I don't know why people like that product. I mean, I don't love the name of it because it kind of implies that it's like a toner and moisturizer in one. And I say that because I've literally seen people say that they replace their moisturizer with this product when it is a toner. It's just a little bit of like a thicker, milkier consistency, but won't do what your moisturizer needs to do. I do like that it's fragrance free, but I'll have to say pass for this one just because milky, rich toners, I'm just like, just buy a better moisturizer. I don't know why you need a toner.
Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen SPF 36.
Yes, pass for that one. I have used that product before, but I think it was either the fragrance is strong, which is probably likely because Innisfree does love their fragrance, or it had an intense white cast, or both. You guys decide. Let me know what your experience was with this sunscreen because I remember not liking the experience, so I'll say pass. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, Ma Nio Pure Cleansing Oil.
Y'all know what that is. I don't know if I recognize that brand. Manyo. Ooh, okay. The main ingredient is soybean oil, which is great. Grapeseed oil, squalane, sunflower seed oil. Oh my God, this is like chock full. It does have some essential oils, but I have to say smash. I think I definitely want to try that one. That looks super cool.
Peach Slices Snail Rescue Blemish Bursting Toner.
Why there's so many toners on this list? Oh my God. I mean, I love Peach Slices. I think they have great products. Pretty much all their products are pretty great, but I don't know about a toner. Do you know what the active ingredients are?
95% snail mucin concentrate.
Oh, so it's more like an essence than it is a toner. Oh, okay. This is the type of toner that I like. This is an exfoliating toner. So when toners have like active ingredients, that's when I can get on the whole toner train. It has glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. That is a good list. Amazing ingredient list. So yes, smash.
Woo, he said yes to a toner.
I know.
CosRx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser.
Ooh, I'll have to say pass for this one. You know, this was one of like the first cleansers I used. And I think actually like the first like Korean skincare product. It's just a little bit too stripping. And that's me with my skin where you need like a fucking pickaxe to get through all the built up oil throughout the day. But every time I've used this one, it just leaves my skin feeling a little bit too stripped and dry. So I'd say pass.
Neogen Daylight Protection Airy Sunscreen.
I remember that using this formula way back in the day. Yeah, okay, so it had chemical filters and a pretty big stack of essential oils. Don't love that. From what I remember, unless they've changed their formula, but I do remember the smell being very intense and very pungent, so I'd have to say pass.
Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch The Original.
Smash. Just like any pimple patches, really. Like, they're all great. They all get the job done as long as you're not paying a ridiculous amount for them. They're great.
Dr. Jart's Cicapair Tiger Grass Sleep Air Intensive Mask.
I can't remember if I've used it, but it's the same type of situation as the other one. I'd say I'd be down for a quickie with this mask because even though, yes, it has all the essential oils, their tiger grass concentrate really does a good job of reducing redness and sensitivity. So I'd be down to try for a little one-night quickie.
Amore Pacific Vintage Single Extract Essence.
Oh. Formula is pretty damn good. Like, it works really well. Amore Pacific kindly sent one to me and I have it on my shelf, but it is so expensive. It is not a low price point product by any means, so a luxurious smash. I don't know if I'd pay full price. I did at one point buy like a smaller bottle of it because I do like this formula, but for like the full size bottle, I don't know. Isn't it like $200?
$99.
Oh. Still very expensive.
CosRx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid.
This is one of those products that I expected a lot more from. I wanted it to work really well, but I used that shit for like a long time and I just didn't really notice results. I feel like with CosRx, they either have products that slap, like they're amazing, super good formulas, or products that just really bomb. And this was one of those products that just kind of bombed for me.
Aqua Licorice Peach Balancing Essence Mist.
I mean, it sounds interesting with like licorice root extract, but mist, I don't know. I'm just kind of like toners. Well, I dislike mists even more than toners because I don't want like half of my product to just be whisked away with the wind. If you use a mist, you're losing so much product in the air. You're not getting it into your skin. And I've even like had mist that I've used before where I'll just spray it into my hand and then pat it into my skin, which completely dismisses the entire reason you have a mist. I just feel like it wastes products. So I don't know, maybe if they had a serum.
Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream.
I feel like most of Saturday Skin products, while they do have really cool ingredient lists, they have a lot of fragrance. Oh, I stand corrected. I swear this product at one point had fragrance. Oh my god, I need to buy this immediately. Okay. Yes, definitely smash. It has a shit ton of peptides in it, as well as a bunch of good moisturizing agents, like really good ingredient lists. So I definitely want to try this. How much is it? $39. Ooh, okay, it's not the cheapest, but I'd be down to buy and try. So I'll say smash.
Kahi Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm.
This looks cool. This is a really stacked ingredient list. I mean, there's so many like antioxidant ingredients, licorice root extract, moringa seed oil, turmeric. I will say I don't love that it's in a balm. I would prefer that it's in like a moisturizer. I feel like if it was the same ingredient list but had a moisturizer consistency rather than a balm, I would be more inclined to use it because I really only enjoy like sunscreen sticks because it's just like when you're on the go, it's the easiest way to reapply. But this is a pretty good formula. I would definitely be down to try this. So I'd say like smash based off the ingredient list alone.
And that's all of them.
Oh, that's all of them? Woo! Wow. Props to you guys for getting a list of a lot of products that I don't know about. I will say that I am impressed as well with the range of smashing and passing being done. I fully expected to go into this video like smashing everything because I just love Korean skincare so much. But I think I definitely got the point across that I don't like toners. And yeah, there's just so many good products out there to choose from. Don't let my passes hinder you from testing out the pure magic of Korean skincare because they truly have such innovative formulas and I love testing as many as I can. And if you guys have any Korean skincare recommendations, please comment them down below because I'm always on the lookout for new products to test and try. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my best Korean skincare of 2023 video because I tested so much this year to figure out what the absolute best formulas are and I think you guys are really gonna like them. So check that out. I'll have it linked down below in addition to all the products mentioned in this video if you do feel like doing some shopping. Everyone please thank Mia and Jazz for helping support on this video. Let's give them a round of applause. That was so sad. Thank you so much everyone who watched this video and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.